Hey, before you grab the remote tonight, let's talk about what your screen should feel like. The first time you fire up the TCL 65T7, it hits you, this isn't just another TV. It's for the kind of person who watches with expectations, not excuses. Before you go any farther, take a moment to check the current price and stock. Panels like this rarely sit still when people discover what they're really capable of. You knew it was time to upgrade the moment your old set started showing its limits. Maybe colors looked washed out. Maybe fast scenes felt blurred. Maybe you realized your system sounded flat compared to how sharp your visuals already were. That's the moment you stop settling and start expecting performance that actually delivers. The first night with this TV feels like relief. Colors pop with depth you didn't realize you were missing. Bright scenes stay vibrant without glare washing them out. Dark scenes suddenly have detail instead of murk. It's not just sharp, it feels alive. You sit back and actually enjoy what you're watching instead of subconsciously compensating for what's wrong. Gaming sessions feel immediate. Motion stays clean even when things get hectic. You don't find yourself dropping into lower settings just to keep things watchable. Instead, you choose the experience you want because this display can handle it. Response feels fluid and intentional, not sluggish or compromised. Movie nights become immersive instead of just flickering pictures. Shows you thought you knew suddenly feel richer because sound and image finally feel like they belong together. Dialogue feels grounded. Atmos cues feel more present. It stops feeling like you're watching and starts feeling like you're there. Once you live with this level of brightness and smoothness, lesser screens feel obvious. You catch yourself noticing washed hues and motion blur the moment you glance at them. Every time you think about settling for something weaker to save a bit, you circle right back here, because you already know what real performance looks like. If you're even slightly tempted, don't sleep on stock swings or weird price jumps that always seem to pop up when you pause. You might wonder if a TV this capable is overkill. That doubt disappears the moment you realize how natural it feels with everyday content. The surprise benefit is how much better normal TV and streaming look, not just 4K movies or games. It's like your entire library suddenly got an upgrade. Only this feels right. You don't explain it. You sit down, press play, and the experience speaks for itself. There's a quiet confidence in knowing your main display matches what you expect it to deliver, no compromises, no awkward moments. Colors feel full without glare. Motion stays smooth and crisp. Scenes feel deep and intentional. Sound feels paired, not afterthought. Your viewing finally feels finished. It's not the smallest screen, and setting it up with space takes thought. And it's a choice, not a necessity. But that's the point, this is the choice you make when average isn't part of your language anymore. At some point you stop looping comparisons. You choose the TV you already trusted would elevate your room, and you move forward. Check availability now, trust the instinct you've been brushing aside, and don't let this upgrade become one you look back on with "I should have done that sooner." Once the 65T7 is in your space, ordinary screens just won't feel like they ever belonged there.